Hello again. I'm Chris Thompson, NASA Solar System Ambassador, here with an update and a look back at NASA's Perseverance mission. On July 30th at 7:50 in the morning, an Atlas V rocket lifted off with Perseverance into the Florida sky. Perseverance is headed to Mars and will land there on February 18th, 2021. Perseverance was designed, at least in part, and built at the Jet Propulsion Laboratory in Pasadena, California. I had the privilege of visiting JPL in 2017 and got to see the Mars yard where they have engineering mock-ups, like this one of the Curiosity rover, and they're able to test those rovers in an environment similar to that of Mars. Not the temperatures and pressures, of course, but the environment is helpful for the engineers to be able to set up their spacecraft to negotiate the kinds of hazards they'll face. And there you go, seeing the Mars yard in person. I was also able to enter mission control, where they have two flight rooms, one for the VIPs and media, and one for the actual flight team to operate the spacecraft. At the center of the flight room, there's a large medallion encased in the floor designating JPL as the center of the universe. Now, I guess if you're making the monument, designing the spacecraft, and flying missions that are intended to leave the solar system, you can designate yourself whatever you want. Either way you look at it, it's a pretty cool place to be. In 2017, Perseverance was being assembled in Colorado. The sky crane, the part of the spacecraft designed to slow and lower Perseverance to the surface of Mars, was being assembled there at JPL. Now, in this photograph, on the left, you see the sky crane with red cages surrounding those rocket motors designed to slow the spacecraft and then hover it while Perseverance is lowered to the ground. On the right is part of the cruise stage, a piece of the spacecraft designed to protect Perseverance from launch all the way through to entry into Mars's atmosphere. In the lobby is a full-scale engineering model of Curiosity. The mission launched in 2011 and landing on Mars August 6, 2012. Perseverance uses the same basic design as Curiosity with a new suite of instruments designed to help determine if life ever existed on Mars. So stay tuned for more updates on Perseverance. Like and comment on this video. Subscribe to be informed when new content is posted. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep your eyes on the sky.